Hey. We're in Kariya Park again. We came down for the cherry blossoms, but only one tree is blooming right now. It's the one behind us, as you can see.
Plus 3 in the front.
Yeah, no, those aren't Sakura. Those are magnolia, I believe. But yeah, there's some pink trees here, but most of them just have their little buds on. Our original plan was to come and have a little picnic here. It's not gonna work. It's been raining a lot. I don't really want to sit down on the wet ground. We do have a tarp, but yeah, we're just gonna sit here and have some breakfast.
But sitting in front of the one tree where everyone's taking pictures of might be kind of rude.
Yeah, as you can see, there's quite a few people here right now.
Because there's only one tree.
The one tree in bloom, so everybody's kind of flocking to it. So yeah, having a park in front of it and monopolizing the good spot would be not very Canadian of us, not very friendly. All right, so what have we got?
We have a Sakura cola.
Oh yes, I picked this up at Ocean's grocery store a while ago. It's a Sakura flavored cola. You want to crack that open, see how this goes?
Finally.
Yeah, it's been sitting in our fridge for like a month.
You want me to go first?
Sure. Smell it.
Oh, it smells like, I don't know, fizz candy?
Fizz candy? Have a sip.
Hard to say. What does it taste like? It just tastes like grapefruit. Sparkling grapefruit.
It smells gross.
Sparkling grapefruit? Do you like it?
No. Hold on.
Well, you don't like carbonated stuff anyways, but...
It does taste floral, so I'll give them that. All right, here you go. You can have that. Because I don't like carbonated drinks, I knew I wasn't gonna like that, so I just brought me a tried and true jasmine tea. Can you crack that open for me, please? I gotta get rid of this taste in my mouth. Can't go wrong with that. Tastes like dim sum. Okay, so originally our plan was to bring some bento, but I'm really lazy. I didn't want to prepare anything. Thanks to my friend Amy, who got me this really cute Totoro bento box. Can you open those? Take the lid off. Dun, 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 dun. We have 2 onigiri. As you can see on there, these ones are $3.99 each, which that's painful. Because in Japan they're like what, like $1, $1.05?
I don't know. I can't remember. Definitely like, not that much.
$1.30 maybe. But I got these at the mall. Square One. Yep. Square One is across the street, and I got it at the food court at Su and Shi, and they're the only place that I know that even sells onigiri. Have you seen them
like here?
Anywhere else?
In Toronto, yes.
Where?
At those convenience stores, H-Mart.
First, I'll just show you. I got 1 crab for myself, and we got tuna for Jason. When we were in Japan the first time, I got onigiri and tried to do a video. Do you remember that? On how to open it, and I totally failed.
That when you were really tired and...
No, it was like first thing in the morning. I was just stupid. Because, okay, so here's the trick. With onigiri, there's 1, okay, maybe I should turn this around so you can actually see the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. So there's a trick to opening these. This red thing here, you pull that down. Now this is where I messed up in Japan the first time. I just stopped here. I don't know why. But you need to go all the way around, which is annoying because this label here, they put it right on top of the ribbon. Stupid. So you kind of have to like rip right through that. Don't litter. Keep your garbage. Oh, thank you. And then you take, by peeling the corner off, slide this out. And then the same with the other side. Slide it out.
But what if you want to? I like to keep it to hold it with.
No, because what happens is there's plastic inside the seaweed
I
and
see.
plastic outside of the seaweed. Because the whole point of this is that it keeps the seaweed off of the rice until you're ready to eat it. Because if the seaweed is sitting against the rice, it'll make it soggy.
So it unravels a
So,
little bit. Nice.
yes. That's
That's
why
cool.
you don't need the plastic, because this is a natural made wrapper.
That's so pretty good.
Ingenious, right? All right, I'm gonna use your pocket. Sorry. Always helpful to have a friend. I got the crab for myself because I don't like cooked fish at all. And the tuna is cooked tuna, so not a fan. So I'm gonna take a bite of this. Itadakimasu. That's what you say in Japan before you start eating. It just means, what does it even mean? They say
Thanks
it
for
means
the food or
thanks for the
something?
food, but it doesn't actually mean that. It literally translates to I gratefully receive. So you say it to the person who made the food for you, to the fish that gave its life for you, if it's like something that plant-based, the farmer that grew it for you, the earth, it's just, you know, thanks. All right, here we go. So, it's crab meat, fake crab meat, and then it's got like some spice stuff as well.
I've never done this before properly.
Oh, is this your first time?
I think so, because you usually open it for me.
Do I?
One.
Yep, you gotta be careful. That label,
Which one's two?
doesn't matter. 2 or 3 doesn't really matter.
I didn't realize. You never told me before that it goes inside.
I tried to tell you. I don't explain things very well.
Because one time I did it, I believe I left the wrapper on, so I could eat it with the wrapper.
But you don't need the wrapper.
Itadakimasu.
Want to show yours real up close? So you can tell yours is cooked. Remember I accidentally bought a tuna for myself last time, and I was so sad because I was so hungry and I wanted to eat onigiri. I was excited to eat it, and then all of a sudden I had tuna and I cried, made you eat it. All right, I'm gonna continue with mine.
We're not going to eat these whole things.
I'm totally gonna eat this whole thing. It's my breakfast.
I always wondered, they always make Sakura flavored items, especially during around this time. Does it actually taste like anything? The actual flour? Do you want me to try?
I absolutely want you to try eating a flower. This is hilarious. So, yes, they do Sakura flavored things during cherry blossom season in Japan. A big supporter of that is Starbucks. They always have a Sakura latte, but everywhere. McDonald's, convenience stores, all kinds of chains, they all have Sakura flavored things. This is funny because I don't think it's actually the blossoms that they use. All right.
Oh,
Oh no! After all that. All right. Taste test.
I should have brought a Kit Kat and just put some in and it's not gonna taste like anything.
No, it's not. Does it taste like flowers? No, it's that part you gotta eat, not the petals.
What?
Yeah, eat it.
No way.
Do it. Put the whole thing in your mouth. What do you think? You need to wash that down with some Sakura flavored soda.
Doesn't taste like anything. I think it's a fake flavor.
That's the thing. A lot of Sakura flavored stuff is just pink, and they do strawberry for Sakura flavored things. But do you remember those Sakura matcha Kit Kats? Those were my favorite. Those almost tasted like cinnamon.
Yeah, but it's like a simulated flavor. Like what other flour? They don't make rose flavored food. They don't make Sakura's only
They do actually. They have a rose flavored Kit Kat. I had
Really?
it. Yeah. It's gross.
Other than that, though, like there's no
Rose tea? Yeah, they do.
Because you steep it and then taste it. Interesting. What if we steeped?
Yeah, they
Sakura?
do Sakura tea as well. But they do have
the flavoring in candy's not.
They do have Sakura mochi. Do you remember that? Remember the pink rice with the green leaf around it?
No.
It was like a red bean with like
Where
almost
was it?
rice like this. Like, well, it was in between mochi because mochi's really smooth, right? But this one was like grainy.
Was it in Japan?
Yeah, of course. And I got it at, I think I just got it at 7-Eleven or something. So it's pink tinted rice and it has a pickled Sakura leaf around it. Or might even.
Oh, I think I remember.
Yeah.
You didn't like it, though.
I didn't eat
I think
the
you
leaf.
spit it out or something.
No, I didn't eat the leaf. I peeled the leaf off because it's very salty. But yeah, even that didn't taste much like anything. But anyways, I'm gonna continue eating my breakfast.
I think that's the first time I've ever eaten a flower. It's worth a try.
What do you think of this?
It's fine. It's just like sparkling grapefruit. It's nothing special.
What would you rate it?
7 out of 10.
He really likes to rate things, by the way. Got some heavy-duty photographers out here.
Birds are back. It was kind of quiet when we first got here, but
We should say today is May 15th? May 15th. And it is about 9:45, 10 o'clock in the morning now. We tried to get here a little earlier, but someone had only slept 3 hours last night and had trouble waking up.
there's a weeping one over there that's you can insert the picture, but it actually, even though it's not bloomed, it looks
We'll walk around.
it looks neat.
Yeah.
Still with the pink branches. It's way different than the last time we were here. I was here.
If you want to enjoy the cherry blossoms at Kariya Park yourself, head over there now. This video was filmed last Wednesday, but by the time it's edited and posted, the rest of the sakura in the park should be at their peak. For more information about hanami at Kariya Park, please check out our accompanying blog post. We're also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Don't miss out. All the links are in the description below. Videos about our Japan trip planning are on the way, so if you're interested in seeing those, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Mata jikai.